How to log in Shell credit card accounts online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Shell credit card account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of the web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Shell credit card login. Once you do so, you will see citi.com that says Shell credit card login or apply. Tap open that link. And once you do so, you will land onto this page. Under here, simply type in your user ID. Once done, type in your password. If you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember my user ID. Now here, once you have written your password, tap on to sign on. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account. In case you would like to retrieve your user ID or reset your password, tap on these options below and get help. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.